Welcome back to Great Day. The coronavirus continues to have a major impact on the markets and the global economy. During this unprecedented time, we're all taking health precautions and trying to make smart financial decisions. But exactly what measures should we be taking with our portfolios? I spoke with Rod Yancey, Oath Planning's investment and estate planning attorney. Rod, what should people be doing right now to protect their money, especially if they're nearing retirement?
Well, I'll tell you what not to do. Don't freeze. I talked to a lady last week, well, now she's a client, and she told me something that I've heard many times, which is when things started to get bad, she just didn't want to look. And it's hard whenever you're losing money in your investments. It's hard to face that negative emotion and look, but you've got to. I mean, in this kind of market, you have to protect your money, so you have to take some action.
And understanding your risk level when approaching retirement is extra important right now.
It is. I mean, that's a very good point, because in this kind of market, risk is very, very important. You can't afford to take a big loss, and nobody knows what the future is going to hold. And it could be that we see another 30-40% drawdown in this market. So you have to structure your plan in such a way that you protect yourself and protect your money, even if the market doesn't look good in the future.
What kind of big loss near retirement look like for people?
Well, I mean, if you have that 30 or 40% loss in your 10 years towards retirement or 10 years into retirement, what it can look like is you having to cut back. I mean, you may be in a situation where you don't know if you're going to run out of money before you pass away. And nobody wants to go to bed each and every night worried about if they're going to run out of money. So you have to take action. You have to protect your investments and give yourself a plan that is going to give you the highest probability to be able to do what you want to do in retirement and spoil your grandkids and do a little bit of traveling, things of that nature.
Yeah. All right. So if you just experienced a big loss in the markets in the wake of coronavirus, what should you be doing right now?
Well, take action. Look at how you are currently invested. Find ways to reduce your risk. Find ways to protect your money from further losses and allow it to grow if the markets grow or as the markets recover.
Yeah. Okay. So if you are protecting your money, how do you find that area where you can still have growth for your money?
Yeah. So there are tools that financial advisors are aware of that give you the ability to insure a portion of your retirement, again, so that it is protected from downside risk. And it's also indexed to the market for index growth. So as the markets recover, your money has the ability to grow. And if the markets get worse from here, well, then you are guaranteed not to lose your principal. And that's why it's so important to have a professional like Oath Planning, like you, on our side to keep watch over our money. Absolutely. So it's really hard to do this alone. It's really hard to act impartially whenever it's your money that you're talking about. It's hard not to get emotional when you're losing money. And so that's why it's so important. And that's why the people who really win at the financial game surround themselves with competent advisors who understand the markets and have worked with thousands of clients and given their clients the ability to meet their goals. Thank you. Thank you.
And for you at home, if you want to learn more about planning for the retirement that you've been working toward, Rod has a great offer. Right now, for the first 5 callers with a portfolio of $250,000 or greater, he's offering a complimentary full-blown retirement plan just for you. This will allow Rod and his team to schedule a phone call, video call, or future in-office meeting so they can speak with you personally and provide you with a roadmap going forward. The number to call now is 713-903-3601. Again, that is 713-903-3601.